The essence of all spiritual practices, all meditation techniques, whatever we are doing in the name of sadhana, the basic purpose behind is that I must remain at least peaceful, without irritation, without much reactions in all situations. So I am not talking of something phenomenal, that I must remain blissful or loving or thrilling all the time, but at least peace must remain. So for that I have to see what I can do. So I have seen from my experience that if I can keep my mind, my brain cool and calm, in medical terms I can say that I remain in delta state of mind, delta state of brain, where the encephalograph reading will be 0 to 4 cycles per second. So that is an ideal situation. May not be at 0, but at least supposing I am doing something, listening, reading, I am with some people in the office, marketplace. So my brain should be active as much as it is needed for a particular situation. Not that mind stuff that is going on all the times, my thoughts, my emotions, I am in past or future planning the whole day. So that way I have seen that that peace of mind, that peace of brain I can attain when I am connected with this space, this blankness, the blankness within you and me, the space between you and me. In yogic culture we call it void, shunya, space. Now the physics, quantum physics, it says that it is matrix. So if I am able to connect with this matrix, this blankness, this space, then I can see that my brain is not active, because brain is active when I am connected with the form. When I am connected with the non-form, I can say nirakar in yogic culture, Hindi. So I can be in that calm state. So now the question ultimately comes, for all spiritual practices, for all techniques of sadhana, meditation, how to be connected with this space. So there are many techniques, at least 300 techniques are there in our scriptures and all these books. So we can try many, but I have found one basic technique which is very easy and very effective, and that technique is, we are habitual of focusing at things. We normally in schools, in studies, we are always said that focus on this thing, focus on this thing, focus on this thing. So that focus is important for point of study, but a small change of gesture. Supposing I am focusing at you, normally I can see your face. So if I can see you as well as the whole spectrum, just try to see in this way, not only my face, my body, but this whole, whatever you can see. Can I focus on everything all along? Can I focus on everything simultaneously? Try to see. You are seeing me and focusing on everything. Or I can say it is unfocused state. So you will suddenly find that your brain is either in completely silent mode or it is working very small. only that much energy is used in this practice, which is very essential. The optimum use of brain is in this technique. So whatever I am doing, I am eating, I am reading some book, or whatever I am doing, if I have time, I can close my eyes. So you can close your eyes. In medical practices also, we have been taught to focus at some point. So instead of focusing inside, just be unfocused. You are seeing this blankness. See it as a whole, not focusing anywhere. Suddenly you see that you are thoughtless. There is no thought. You cannot find a thought. This is delta state of brain. It is so easy, so simple, and so effective. I am just aware of this blankness. And feeling this blankness, I am not seeing somewhere in front of me. I am just feeling it. Blankness is there. Void, shunya, nothingness. And when I am connected with this blankness, this nothingness, there is no thought. A state of no mind. In yogic culture we call it amani avastha. Now you can open your eyes. Because I cannot close my eyes all the time. I have to do work at my workplace, in my office, at shop. So is there any technique I can be connected with this blankness with open eyes? So it is very simple. Be unfocused. As you were unfocused with closed eyes, I can remain unfocused. Whatever is in front of me, I am talking to someone, I can see the whole spectrum, and no one will know that I am doing a particular type of sadhana. And as soon as I am unfocused, my brain is in silent mode. I am not to move my eyeballs, I am not to move my face. Because if I am moving my eyeballs, I am looking at some other object, it is also focusing. So unfocused view means I am stable. Lord Krishna call it Nishchal Dhyan Yoga in Gita. I am stable, I am comfortable, and I am looking at the whole. Slowly and slowly, a position comes when I am connected with the space. And when I am connected with the space, this space is infinite. The space which I am not able to feel, I am not able to see behind me, above me, I am connected with that space also, that infinite space, and I see that there is no thought, and I can continue feeling this space, doing all the activities, seeing, listening, smelling, touching, eating, in all daily activities I can extend it, and I will see that I remain calm. Now you can lie down. We will do it now with the closed eyes. Just be relaxed in a comfortable posture. This is very basic for any meditation technique, that you are stable and you are comfortable. You can loosen if there is something too tight on your body. You can put blindfold on your eyes. Now pay attention to your body, your feet, your legs, your thighs. Your complete legs are relaxed. All the cells, all the body muscles. Just by feeling the body follows the instructions and it gets relaxed. Just feel that it is relaxed, and you will feel a certain level of relaxation. Now your lower back, your stomach, your upper back, your chest. Feel that these parts are getting more and more relaxed. Feeling is such a miraculous phenomena. Just by feeling you can relax your body. Just by feeling, not thinking. Just feel your arms, your fingers, these are relaxed. Your neck, your face, all the muscles of the face, of the forehead are now relaxed. Your eyes, see that your lower jaw is loosened. The complete face, your forehead is now relaxed. The top of your head, your brain, every part of your body, every cell is now relaxed. You are completely relaxed now. Complete let go. And now be aware of your breathing. It is very slow. With each breath, you are getting more and more relaxed. More and more relaxed. You are just aware of the breathing, not doing anything with the breathing. Feel it as it comes. Feel it as it goes out. And now feel the darkness, feel the blankness. I am surrounded by this blankness all over. Only blankness is there, nothingness is there. Just be connected with it, just be aware of it. This blankness is not an object, you cannot see it, but still you can feel it. And when you are feeling it, you are silent, you are peaceful, you are calm. You are in a state of no mind, amani avastha. You can remain in this position for as much time as you want. Om, Om, Om.